Hello everyone, my name is Govind and in today's video I'm going to tell you how can you bring the data from the JSON file which is in the JSON format and how can you bring that data into the Power BI. So let's have a look. So this is the blank report and the option that like the list that you get to connect to different data sources is from this feature which is at the home tab, get data. So from here what you need to do, you need to click on this more options, and from here there is an fourth options here in the list. You can see JSON. Select this option and click on this button which is connect. After that it will allow you to browse the files that is present in your local computer. So just import your file, select your file. So the condition is that if you can see here the type, it is of the JSON type. It should it should have the extension .json, otherwise it will not work. What happens that most of the time we have the JSON format data, but the extension for that file is the text file. So if we try to connect in that way, then that will not gonna work. So make sure that the data, the file is of the JSON extension. So select your file. So I am importing the employee data which is in the JSON format, and then click on this open button. So here you can see it is getting connected. Wait for a minute. Yeah, so it will bring us to the Power Query editor where we can perform data transformation. So you can see clearly if I open the file and show you. So this was the file which is in the JSON format, and this data has been converted automatically by the Power Query editor into the table format like this, just with the two steps. So if tell you advanced editor, so this transformation or this Power Query formula, the Power Query editor has used to bring the data from JSON format to the table format. Now you can perform some other transformation and then you can load this table by close and apply. After that, you can start working with this data. You can start building visuals and all. So yes, this is a way of importing data from JSON to the Power BI. So that's all about this video. Thank you.